Thank you for visiting VAPayformysavings.com. But before that you actually enter those 4 simple answers to the 4 simple questions that I had you gather there on your postcard, I would first like to show you a real life example. This is an actual scenario for a current VA home loan client that I have in mind right now. And this is based on an actual offer that I was able to make them today as well. So let's look at this. So the payoff, $305,100. And when we're talking about new loan amount, that's actually pertaining to the example, of course, and then potentially you. Payment, principal and interest is all we can base it on because taxes and insurance do fluctuate. That's based on the county and your insurance agent. But the things that we can help provide the savings from is the principal and interest payment only. Estimated credit score. The score when we did the loan, it was a 641. The rate that he has is a fixed rate, of course, and any scenario we provide right now is going to be based on a fixed rate. But here's how we can save him money with no cost, because we would be paying all of the closing costs at the new rate, considering the credit score. New payment will show the savings, and then this might actually blow your mind a little bit as well as how this can happen. So let's just jump into it. So the example is I'm able to offer the exact same new balance based on the payoff. So we're not adding anything to the payoff whatsoever. Again, because we're paying all the cost out of the interest rate. We're not building it into the loan. So the new payment is $1,478.67 versus his current of $1,616.59, which will lead us to the savings here in a second. Based on assuming the credit score is at least a 640, right where he was at before, and a new interest rate of 4.125. That's where we came up with the $137.92 a month. Now, the current market rate for a loan like this, including the cost, would be 3.875. So not much difference. But if I can give 4.125, pay all the cost, really no risk to the borrower to find out if this makes sense for him, especially if I have the information right here. There's not an appraisal required on this loan, and the only documentation that we require from him is an updated driver's license, last year's W-2, signing some paperwork that basically says he understands the term of the loan, and then going to closing and signing some paperwork. That is it. Even if he's paying 4.25, since it doesn't cost anything, literally even that little bit of a savings in the interest rate would still be a savings. And obviously this isn't going to apply exactly for everyone, but I did test this against a $200,000 loan down to a 620, and the rate was 4.25 for that, but still able to pay all the closing costs. If your credit score is higher, that's going to increase your chances, and or your current loan amount will increase your chances, and or your current interest rate is higher, it will increase your chances. And also, if you have a service-connected disability, that is also going to help you as well. And while every scenario is different, then I can't guarantee the exact same results for everyone, but here's what I can tell you. Not because I also have a VA loan, not because my wife is a veteran, not because we do free appraisals for veterans on all of our closed loans, because I can show you the results and tell you if it's going to be a benefit or not, and leave that decision up to you based on facts. So that's up to you, and so is the next step. So what I want to encourage you to do is the link below is actually where you can go and give me those 4 simple answers to the questions that will help me give you the information you need to decide if it's worth it for you or not. There's no obligation. I won't even have to pull credit, and I can run some scenarios based on your information and estimations to give you those facts and information to help you decide if this is going to be a benefit. I'm Brandon Woolley, Certified Mortgage Planning Specialist, former Small Business of the Year, committed to those who serve and serving those who are committed. So what I want you to do again is click that link below, get me the answers to those 4 questions, and let's get you the information you need, and I'll see you on the other side.